On a certain day, a man came to see Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha was sitting alone in a small enclosure, and the man came with two handfuls of flowers because in India that is a normal way to greet your guru. As the man came towards him, Gautam Buddha looked at him and said, "Drop it." When he said this, the man thought that because he had brought these flowers as an offering, Gautam Buddha was telling him to drop it. Then he thought, maybe it is inauspicious because I am carrying it in my left hand. This is also a part of the culture that if you give something to someone with your left hand, it is considered inauspicious. So he dropped the flowers in his left hand and then went on in an appropriate way. Gautam Buddha looked at him once again and said, "Drop it." Now he did not know what to do. What was wrong with the flowers? He dropped the rest of the flowers. Then Gautam Buddha said, "I said drop it, not the flowers. The one who brought the flowers, you have to drop that. Otherwise you will not know the Buddha. You will come, you will bow down, you will listen and you will go, but you will not know what it means to be with an enlightened one. You will completely miss the possibility. If you want to add a completely new dimension to your life, you have to drop that, not something else. Dropping your work, family, or this and that does not mean anything. Right now, what you call as myself is just a bundle of thoughts, emotions, ideas, opinions, and belief systems. If you do not drop that, where is a new possibility? Are you just trying to decorate the old stuff with some extras? That is not going to help. That is going to make things more difficult. But if you just say, drop it, it does not drop off. So there are methods and procedures to be brought in so that this dropping happens.